In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account on PC. Now I'm just going to open incognito mode here, and I'm going to go to new incognito mode, and I want to go to gmail.com. So you have to go to gmail.com, and then from here you can choose whether you want to create an account or you want to log in into your account. Here I want to create an account, and I'm going to say for personal use, and the name is just going to say, let's say YouTube. I'll just say you, or you could use any name. You can see Johnny, and then last name I'm going to leave it. You can add it, you can leave it empty. I'm going to go to next. I'll choose my date of birth. Let's just say January 1st, and then I'm going to say 1900, whatever date you desire. Date, male, female, rather not say custom. I have no idea what custom means, but in my case I'll just say I rather not say. I don't think I want to tell anybody my gender. Well, you can decipher that from my voice. If you can't, then well, good and fine. I'll go to next, and then the username, I'll just say, if you say johnny@gmail.com, is definitely going to be taken. It's going to tell you it's no longer available. Of course, this one is taken. So you can add anything. You can say Johnny the best at gmail.com. I wonder if it's going to be available. That one is already taken. Let's say Johnny the best 2025. Or I could just say Johnny 2025. Okay, it's taken. Johnny the best 2025. I'll take that. Of course, it's available. And then the password, you can use whatever it is you desire. Now, you can see, you can toggle this on so that you can see whatever you are writing. If I just put this dummy password, you can see, I already see what I'm writing. So, but I'm going to toggle this off. I want to add a password. And mind you, there are conventions for adding a strong password. It should have an uppercase, it should have a lowercase, it should have a number and a special character. And it's best if it's not a common word, and it should be longer than 10 characters. So I'm going to use an uppercase. I'm going to put an uppercase letter, and then some lowercase letters. I'll take that all over, uppercase, lowercase letters, and then so I've done that, and I'll have to repeat. I'll do this. And it's a match. I'll go to next. And it's asking me for verification. So I need to add a phone number here. And it's going to send me an email, or it's going to send me a message. So I'm going to do that. I'll pause this video to do that. I've added my phone number, and it's asking me, it sent me a verification message. I'm going to add that here right now. Now it's asking me for a recovery email. I've added my verification code. It's asking me for a recovery email. I could just skip. Now I've come to this point. It's showing me this, and I just need to agree. If you don't agree, then you can't use this email address. Send me occasional reminders for these settings. I will leave that the way it is. Just click on agree. After all this setup, I'm brought into this dashboard, which shows me my inbox, shows me my start messages, snoozed, and all that. So when I first start getting messages, I'm going to see them here. Now I'm already getting advertisements on Gmail, which is pretty funny. I'm also getting socials, Vovoka USA, but my primary email, I'm not getting anything yet. So the moment that I start using this email address to subscribe for anything, or to send emails and receive, send emails to people, I'll start getting replies back. And then any message I start is going to appear here under start messages. Any snooze messages here, and then spam messages, which is very important, they are going to appear here. Sometimes people you work with send you messages and they go into the spam folder. So you need to check this from time to time. The messages you delete are going to be in your trash folder. And you can also categorize messages here by social, and you can add your own labels too. You can create your own new labels. So all in all, that is an overview of how to create a Gmail account. For more tips, tech tips like this to make your life easier, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so that when I put out videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. God bless you. Peace.